Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and these right here are my top 5 favorite cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now hear me out, I know there are tons of great cases out there for the S25 Ultra, but I ain't got the money to be spending on a bunch of different cases for that device. So out of the many cases that I have right now at this time for the S25 Ultra, these are my 5 favorite cases that I use on the weekly, starting with the Magback Elite case. Now this list isn't in any particular order, but when it does come to the Magback Elite case right here, one of the main things that I like about this case is just the overall look of the case. It's got a nice matte finish in the back, but with this red and black color combo, I mean, you just really can't go wrong. It has a really cool look to it. But when we look inside the case, it's got a nice soft to the touch material, which is not going to scratch up your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And then when you snap your phone into the case right here, as you can hear, it's got a nice snap to it, a nice secure fit, so you don't have to worry about it falling off of your device if you do happen to accidentally drop it with this case on your S25 Ultra, which I have personally done many times already by accident. If you know me, I have a lot of accidents when it comes to dropping my phone, but this case actually did a really good job at protecting my device. And another cool thing about this case is that it comes with a screen protector in the box. So that is the screen protector that I am actually using on my S25 Ultra right here. So both of these together just make a great combo when it comes to protecting your S25 Ultra. But another cool thing about this case right here, if you look in the back, you'll see we got like a little red thing in the back there. You can actually pull that out and use it as a pop socket. And then when you are done with it, you just push it back in. And then right below that is a kickstand on the case itself. So we get a pop socket and a kickstand integrated into the case. So just a nice little feature there, or 2 nice little features when it comes to the case here. And then you'll notice the color here on the sides. Now you are actually able to customize the color that you want on this case. It's easy to just, once you take the case off of your phone, it's easy to just, peel those portions out of the case and then replace it with another color. So it's nice, they give us many color options on the website itself when you order your case. So you can change up the color whenever you want. And it's just another little feature, but it's not good for just, looking good with the color, but it also offers some grip there on the sides as well. So it prevents the case from falling, or the phone, I should say, from slipping out of your hand, slipping out of a bag or your pocket. So another nice added feature. Now, I gotta say, this case right here has one of the strongest magnets that I have ever experienced in the case. I can literally just put it on any type of metal surface and it would stay there and not fall off. That is how strong the magnet is on this case right here. And it's nice because if I'm in the kitchen, maybe cooking something or, just putting together some lunch or whatever, maybe I wanna watch something while I'm doing that, maybe YouTube or, a movie, a TV show or something, I can just, hang my phone up on the refrigerator and it'll stick magnetically nice and strong without falling off. I don't have to worry about it. So one of the strongest magnets on a case that I've personally experienced. Really, really nice. But when it just comes to the Magback Elite case, just overall, not only is it going to provide your Galaxy S25 Ultra some really good protection, but it's also going to keep it looking nice and cool as well, especially with this red and black color combo. I mean, you really can't go wrong with that. So next up is a case that y'all have seen for years here on the channel, and that is the Dbrand Grip case. And one of the main things that I love about this case right here is in the name itself. The grip that we get with this case right here. We are getting grip texture all the way around, which is going to prevent this from slipping out of your hands, your pocket, your bag. It's just a nice overall feel. When it comes to the inside of the case, just like the Magback Elite case, we get a nice soft to the touch material. We also get MagSafe compatibility. And I think I forgot to mention that for the Magback Elite case as well. We also get MagSafe compatibility for that as well. But when it comes to putting the S25 Ultra in the Dbrand Grip case, nice secure fit. Once again, get a nice snap right there, and it is not going to fall off your device. I mean, I have done many drop tests throughout the years with this case on many devices, including the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it has always held up great. I don't think I ever, actually, I know I have never had a phone break with this case on it. It does a great job. It is screen protector friendly. Now, another cool thing about this case is the back. So as you can see, I currently have an orange skin in the back, but if I want, this is their circuit board skin right here, but if I want, I can actually rip this off and throw on another skin. Dbrand has tons of skins to choose from on their website. I have tons of skins that I can swap this out for if I want to change up the look. So not only is it adding some great grip, not only is it adding some great protection to your device, but it's also giving you the ability to switch up the look whenever you want. So you don't have to go out and buy multiple cases just to get a different look and still keep the same protection. So again, they got tons of skins on their website, and that's another cool thing about the grip case right here. So good protection, some style, great grip all the way around, MagSafe compatibility. I mean, when it comes to Dbrand grip case, you really just can't go wrong with this case right here. All right, so next up is actually another case here from Dbrand. This is actually my favorite clear case right now at the moment, and that is the Dbrand Ghost Case 2.0. I mean, Dbrand really did their thing this year with this case right here. It's a nice improvement from, you know, the previous Ghost case. And according to Dbrand, this case will never yellow up on you. And if for whatever reason it does, they will replace it. But definitely a nice clear case. Now, when it comes to putting your device in, as you can hear, it's got a nice snap to it. So a nice secure fit. And, you know, I have accidentally dropped my phone with this case in it as well. It's protected my phone. The case has not, you know, popped off. The corners haven't popped off when it has fallen. So it's a nice secure fit. It is screen protector friendly as well. And as you can see from the back, it's got that MagSafe compatibility. And it's nice because, you know, when you do use this case, it's going to allow you to show off the beautiful backing of your Galaxy S25 Ultra. So you don't have to cover it up. Or if you have one of Dbrand's cool skins on the device itself, you can still show off that skin while keeping your device protected. And with this one, we do get texture all the way around as well. So it's not the same type of grip as the grip case, but this texture is still going to help, you know, keep it, still kind of gives you that grip. So it's still going to help keep it nice and secure in your hand. You know, it's going to make it harder for the phone to slip out of your hand, your pocket, or your bag. And it feels great. It doesn't add too much bulk to your device either. So the Dbrand Ghost Case 2.0, I mean, really nice, clear looking case, feels great in the hand as well. Definitely a clear case that I can personally recommend. Okay, so next up is my favorite super thin case right now at the moment that you can get for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and that is the Pitaka Tactile woven case. And let me tell you, one of the main things that I love about this case is just the overall look of it. I really love this blue color combo. We're getting a dark blue, kind of a light blue, a lighter blue, and kind of like this grayish color, I think. I don't know, it looks kind of gray to me, but I mean, it is nice. It's got a nice secure fit on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, of course, with it being a super thin case, it's not going to provide you, you know, the best rugged protection that you would get with some of these other cases we just looked at. But, you know, there are times where sometimes I don't even feel like using the case on my S25 Ultra, but you know what? I still want to keep it protected. So this super thin case right here gives you that feel of no case on your device, but it's still providing it some protection. It's almost like a reusable skin, if you want to put it that way. But not only is it protecting the back of your device, but it's, you know, going all the way around the sides. Yes, the buttons are exposed, but we do get a little bit of a lift there. So if I do happen to accidentally drop it on its side, it will give it just enough lift to where those buttons shouldn't touch any flat surface and get damaged. But this case paired with the screen protector, it should be more than protected enough for just your, you know, average day. If you're not doing anything major, like, you know, going out in the woods or going hiking or anything like that, where you have the potential to drop your phone on, you know, some rocks or anything like that. If you're just having a casual day out, this case will be more than enough for you, especially if you're someone who doesn't actually drop your phone, you know, a lot of times. Like I said, has a really nice, cool look to it. And I like how they gave us some extra protection for the cameras in the back as well. We're getting just enough lift in the front for that display, just a little bit there so it doesn't touch any flat surface, so you can still safely place it down on a flat surface, slide it around, and it's giving it just enough lift to where that display shouldn't be damaged. But I do got to tell you guys a story about this case right here, and it's kind of made it even more of my favorite super thin case, because there's a lot of other great cases out there that are super thin like this, but I kind of had an accident on my electric board, and I actually posted a video. I left it in that video that I was making for the electric board, but I accidentally kind of hit the brakes too hard on my electric board, and I went flying. And I was using this phone to record the video, and I went flying. The phone went flying in another direction, hit, you know, a metal gate down onto a concrete floor. And, you know, I'll show up in a close-up here, but I mean, you can kind of see where the case is scuffed up here. But the case actually protected my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I will be completely honest with you guys, I was so scared when I picked up my device because I thought it was gonna be shattered. Because, you know, like I said, this is not a bulky case. It's not a super rugged case. And you wouldn't think that it would have survived that type of fall, but it did. So I gotta say, I mean, for right now, this is my main go-to super thin case. And they also offer another color as well, which I do have as well, but I've been using this blue one a lot right here. And of course, it is MagSafe compatible as well. And yeah, the Pitaka Tactile woven case. It's a great super slim case. All right, now last but not least, this is an oldie but goodie. I have been using this case for years, and I mean years. Ringi was one of the first case companies that, actually they were the first case company that ever worked with me. So I was one of the first ones to be able to try out this Camo Fusion case right here, Fusion X Camo case, and I've been using it for years. Now it is more of an affordable case. It's not gonna break the bank, and you know, it still has a hard backing, but one thing I like about it is just that camo finish in the back. As you can hear, it's got a nice secure fit as well. And this is one of the cases that actually started the whole drop test with the case video here on the channel. So I have done many drop tests with this case right here on the channel with many devices as well, and it has held up great. It has protected many devices, not only in videos, but with a lot of accidental falls and really hard accidental falls as well. And this case has always held up, has always protected my device. We're getting some nice protection there in the back for the camera, some nice protection up at the front for the display. It is screen protector friendly. Unfortunately, it is not MagSafe compatible, so you're not going to be able to charge it, you know, with any MagSafe chargers. It's not going to be compatible with any kind of magnetic accessories, but it's still just an overall cool looking case. If you like camo, especially with the color of this phone right here, I mean, it's great because it's kind of like a clear backing, but with, you know, some camo design in the back, so you'll still be able to see the color of your device. Like I said, if you're looking to not really break the bank, but you just want a case that looks cool, that's still going to provide your device some good protection, still going to be screen protector friendly, you're willing to give up, you know, that magnetic type of wireless charging or any kind of, you know, magnetic accessories, I mean, this is a great option to go with. It's nice and slim as well. It doesn't add too much bulk to your device, and accessing the S Pen is great. Accessing the S Pen is actually nice and easy on all of the cases that I mentioned here in this video. But yeah, the Ringi Camo Black case, I mean, you can't really go wrong with this one, especially for the price. Now, I do have an honorable mention right here. This is the Banks super slim case right here. And it's kind of like the Pitaka one. It's got a nice slim design, still got that nice texture in the back, got a really cool design in the back. One of the main reasons I like this case right here is because of this particular design, just the colors and everything. I think it looks really nice, feels really good in the hand as well. Got a nice feel to the texture. But one thing that I like about the Pitaka over this one is actually the camera cutout. So I just wish that with this one right here, they would have fully covered the cameras like with the Pitaka case. I feel like that's the only real thing that needs to be changed with this case right here. But this is still a case that I use every once in a while because of just, you know, the design in the back and the color combo. And if I'm wearing something that this particular case goes with, then I will, you know, use it for that day just to kind of match my outfit or whatever it is I'm wearing. So I just wanted to give a quick mention to the Banks case right here because, you know, Banks is still doing their thing with their cases as well. Super nice case. The only thing that I wish they would change is this, just the design in the back for the cameras. But yeah, so these are my current 5 favorite cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Are you possibly using any of these cases right here, or what case is it that you are currently using for your S25 Ultra? Let me know down in the comment sections below, and let me know if there's any cases that I should personally check out that maybe you would want to see here on the channel. Maybe one of those cases will be added on to my list if I really like them as well. So I'm more than open to suggestions down in the comment sections below. But thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. No, this wasn't a full review for any of these cases. I do have separate videos out for that. This was just quickly sharing my 5 favorite cases at the moment for the S25 Ultra. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video, again, leave a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of their future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.